everybody, it's 3 here, and today we're going to be reviewing a lawnmower. Now, it's not going to be this one because this is a gas mower. And why do I mention it's a gas motor? Well, because we can't get it to start. So, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox not a gas lawnmower. Okay, so here we go. Here we have the lawnmower itself right here. So, right here, hi cat. So we have the lawnmower, the Ego, 21-inch cordless mower. Okay, so it is self-propelled because pushing lawnmowers, sometimes can be difficult if it's going up a hill, like a big enough hill. This is a 56-volt lithium, battery, and so it's 5.9 feet-pounds of torque. And industry's most advanced battery, and it runs up to 60 minutes. I'm gonna bet that if you're not like having really tall grass. So if we turn the box around here, so it shows all kinds of different features here. So we've got a weather-resistant construction, self-propelled controls up here, variable speed lever is right there. Convenient push button start is right there. 3 handle heights, you can use the lever right there to control it. 1 hand height adjustment, which would be right there, the lever. Ball bearing wheels, LED headlights, and 5-year tool warranty and 3-year battery warranty. And of course I said self-propelled. And then the industry's most advanced technology on the battery. So as you can see, right there is the battery technology. So as you can see right there, cool style technology, optimized venting, fully insulated electronics, rugged over mold, shock resistant internal roll cage, advanced battery management software. So power and performance of a gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. So obviously that would be really nice for us considering we've been having a fuss with gas lawnmowers. So we're gonna go ahead and get it opened up. So one thing I noticed is it doesn't have tape, so we're gonna have to like peel it. So I'll figure that part out. Okay, there we go. 1 down, 4 more to go. 3. Yeah, 3 more to go. Why does it make this so hard? Alright, so we got a couple things inside. So if you need help, you can call them. Since it's kind of ripped, you can't really see that, but it shows a map. Okay, so here is the open box. Okay, so inside the box here, we have, of course, some cardboard, which doesn't seem to have anything in it. We should probably check before we throw it. It doesn't look like it. So over here we have the Ego battery right here, cordless 7.5 amp right there. There it is. So we'll actually open this up in just a moment. So we'll sit that down. Here we have something which I cannot get out because the box is in the way. So I'm gonna pick this up first. Look at that. Look at that battery charger. That is a really nice battery charger. Shows you the percentage. Shows you different things. I don't know. The cat's like scratching at something. Anyway, so yeah, there you go. And pretty decently long cord. There you go, 550 watts. Dang, Daniel, that's probably why it says it can charge in like what? A minute, an hour? Not a minute, an hour. Which isn't too bad. Alright, so a piece of metal. Not entirely sure what this is for yet. Yeah, it's for something. Frame for, yeah, whatever. Here's more of this. You don't need that. This is a manual, which, as you can see, there's a lot of different products from Ego, and they're all powered by the same battery, so good job for that. Making everything compatible across the board. So, I'm not going to read that right now, so I'm going to give it to, over there.
Your lovely assistant.
Yeah, lovely assistant. So here's the bag. So it's obviously very floppy, so I'm going to guess that's what that thing was for. Now, we're not going to use the bag. And here's the mower. Plastic bag for it. Dang, that looks nice. Alright, is there anything else in here? I should probably look. Warning to avoid, okay, we already know that. There you go. And then I'm not sure what this is. It's kind of, oh, this is why we got this mower. This is why we got this mower instead of the Ryobi mower that we were going to get. 3 reasons. So the Ryobi one is only 40 volt, and this is 56. It only had a 6 amp hour battery when this has a 7.5. And this has a side discharge thing, and not a mulching or a bag, because for us, mulching wouldn't work, and bagging is too much work, so this is what you need. And then we got the mower in here, so I'm going to see if I can get this out if I need help here. So we got a handle here, so I'm assuming you can pick this up. Can I have some help? I don't want to break it, or else I would pick it up myself. No, I didn't. Okay, now it's on the box. So, got it out, kind of. So, is there anything else in here? There's just some box supports. And, yeah. So, yeah, but maybe I might keep this box. I don't know. I might keep it and do something with it sometime. So, yeah, now that's out of the way. Oh, now the cat's going in the box. The cat just ran away from the box. The cat was trying to go in the box and it ran away. Where'd she go? She ran over there. Oh, jeez. So as you can already see, you can fold this down, which, let me just tilt the camera up a little bit.
You can also store it vertically for easy storage.
So we can push to unlock here and open this up here. So I assume that is the first setting right there. So we'll go over that in a minute. More cardboard. Is there anything in that? I should probably check. It doesn't appear so. We don't need that. So then this right here, we can adjust the height. So for me, this would not be good. I'd be bending over to try and mow. So I guess you would move something here, like this. We're just guessing. Yeah, okay. So you would adjust it to your preferred height, which would be somewhere like right here for me, maybe? I don't know.
Hi, this is Editor Nick. And if you notice there is a paper there that has like the advertisement for the mower on it, that paper around the middle crossbar on the handles. Yeah, underneath that label, printed right on the metal, it says that you're supposed to full extend it, then clip it in. And since that paper's on there, we took it off later. But since that paper's still on there, that we didn't see that, so we were trying to clip it into a place that it doesn't clip. So just for note, you got to pull it the whole way out, then clip it on. So yeah, it took me a couple minutes to actually figure that out, but now that it's afterwards and I've used the mower a couple of times, now I know that. So yeah, just a notice about that.
Alright, so that's what you need to do. So that's pretty decent height. Now you can adjust it down some, that actually might be what I need. And you can go down one more if you want to drive like this, if you want to, but we're not going to. So we'll just have it up to here for right now. I don't know. Maybe I'll do this, I don't know. So you pull back here, got a power button, safety, go, and then here's the power button.
That's the horn.
Or a horn, yeah, it could be a horn. So this is supposed to be telling you something about it, but I don't know how to get it off. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get it off here without scraping up the paint here. I don't know how to get this off. Yeah, you can. I'm gonna break something. Here we go. Okay. So to start, okay. Well, we should have read that before we did anything. Anyway, to start, fully extend the side rails, then lock the clamps. So that's what we were supposed to do, but we didn't. And yeah, so we're gonna back this up a bit here. All right. So so right now, I'm assuming it's in. Good job. Right now I'm assuming it's in grinding position. Yeah, so we got the grinding plug in here. So to mulch it, you'd leave this in there. So let's put that, actually, let's see what it'll look like with side discharge. So with side discharge, take this and stick it on there some way. I think this is a little too complicated for my knowledge. So then you stick this on, like that, and then that holds it on, and it just spits it out like that. Okay, and then this, what is this for? Is this to, oh, I guess this is to control your speed, how fast you're going?
Could be.
And, yeah, we're not reading manuals here, so.
Yeah, why would we look at the manual?
Yeah, alright, so let's back this up a bit. So, right here on this side, you can adjust the height, which it should be, like, easy adjust, so you can set it up nice and high. Or set it back down, which is really nice. I was trying to mow a lawn the one day, and it was like sideways, so it wasn't cutting quite right. So that was bad. Yeah, don't do that. So in here is where the battery goes, and it'll tell you something back here if there's a problem because there's an indicator on the back.
Should show you that this charge the battery.
Yeah, it does. It will show green until it shows red. Okay, so here we have the battery. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here we have the battery. Jesus, it's heavy. Okay, so here we go. You can press that. Oh, look at that, green. So
That's got a charge.
yeah, see, green. Okay. I mean, the construction feels really good. Like, solid. Doesn't sound hollow when you do that. So you know you're getting something good. So we're gonna stick this in here, see if it'll go. And to the grass, we just had a pretty big rainstorm outside. Well, not really that big, but it rained, so you can't mow grass in rain. So push down into click, or push down into latch. So I'm pretty sure this is a safety switch. So we're gonna bring this over here. Okay, so looks like you extend it. No, so you pull this back. Well, what do you have to do to? Oh, safety. Safety. It'll move.
That makes it move.
This makes it move without lawn mowing.
You know, why doesn't it make
Wait, is this full speed ahead? I don't know. So.
Okay, so after a while, we finally decided to get smart, and we looked at the manual, and then we figured out how to use it.
push the safety button in. Pull the bail up.
Okay, so that's how you work
That's
it.
how you.
So what you need to do is you need to push the safety button down.
And pull that up.
Pull this up. There you go.
That's why it's called a safety button.
Yeah, okay, well I thought you had to press that down and then pull, I don't know.
Pull that move without pulling the bail up. Yep. So you don't have to pull the bail up to move.
Oh, that's awesome. I like this a lot better than any mower now. Okay, so we're gonna fold the handle back here. Like that, and we're gonna take this attachment out. So we're gonna stick the mulching back in so it's more compact. So we're gonna stick that back in, not that way. Like that, in there. And then put that back. And we're gonna get this all put back together and shut up and wait until it's dry outside, and then we'll do a quick mow test. That's how it works. And next time, the next episode of this on my channel here, we will be mowing the rest of the yard here as a test. So made sure it was nice and high just to make sure to see how well this works. So stay tuned, and we'll get that video out probably next week.